Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is resistance and resistivity. Before this, we have discussed about Ohm's law. Resistance means a portion offered by the conductor to the flow of current. When current flows through a conductor, it does not flow easily. There is something in the conductor which opposes this flow of current, and that opposing force is called resistance of a conductor. Because when current flows, there occurs collision between positive ions as well as electrons. Due to this, heat gets lost and the current does not flow easily, and that process which opposes this flow of current is called resistance. In simple, we may say a portion offered by the conductor to the flow of current is called resistance. It is SI unit is ohm. SI unit is ohm. And the symbol of ohm is just like this. Now this resistance of a conductor, it depends upon length of a conductor. How much long the conductor is, the length. So the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length of a conductor. More the length and more will be the resistance of a conductor. So the longer the conductor, more will be the resistance. Shorter the conductor and less will be the resistance of a conductor. Now second point, the resistance of a conductor is inverse proportional to area of cross section. जितना एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन ज़्यादा होगा वायर का कंडक्टर का, उतनी उसकी रेजिस्टेंस कम होगी. थर्ड, it depends upon the nature of material of a conductor. For example, some wires have low resistance and some wires have higher. For example, if we take two similar wires having equal length and diameter, और जो दो वायर हमने लिए उनकी जो लेंथ है वो सेम होगी और उनका जो डायमीटर है वो भी सेम. फॉर एग्जांपल, कॉपर और निकोक्रोम. निकोक्रोम इज द एलॉय, कॉपर इज द प्योर मेटल. अगर हम इन दोनों की एक जैसी वायर लेंगे, both equal in length as well as in cross section, it has been found that nicochrome wire has about 60 times more resistance than the copper wire. This shows that the resistance also depends upon nature of the material of a conductor. Now point fourth, effect of temperature. It has been found that the resistance of all pure metals increases. The resistance of all pure metal increase on rising in temperature and decrease on lowering in temperature. But alloys like magnesium, constantan, and nicochrome, they remain unaffected by increasing temperature. Now, resistivity. Earlier we have seen that resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to its length, and resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to its area of cross. By combining both equation first and equation second, we will get R is equal to L by A. अगर इस प्रोपोर्शनलिटी को मैं ख़त्म करूँ तो यहाँ पर एक कांस्टेंट मैंने लगाया जिसको कहते हैं रो, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड रो और रेजिस्टिविटी. रो और दिस कांस्टेंट इज कॉल्ड रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ ए मटेरियल ऑफ ए कंडक्टर, या इसको कभी स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस भी कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं लेंथ किसी कंडक्टर की 1 मीटर ले लूँ और एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन 1 स्क्वायर मीटर, तो उस टाइम जब मैं इस इक्वेशन में इंट्रोड्यूस करूँगा तो मुझे जो रो वो इक्वल टू किस आएगा, रेजिस्टेंस. सो वी मे डिफाइन रेजिस्टिविटी. Thus the resistivity of a substance is numerically equal to the resistance of a rod of a substance, which is 1 meter long and 1 square meter in cross section. Resistivity, अगर इसका यूनिट हम देंगे SI यूनिट, resistivity is called resistance into area of cross section divided by length. रेजिस्टेंस का यूनिट है ओम और एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन मीटर स्क्वायर एंड लेंथ हो गया मीटर। मीटर और 1 मीटर खत्म हो गए तो रेजिस्टिविटी का ऐसा यूनिट है ओम मीटर।